need to redo some nails.
Sure.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
So how's everyone during this quarantine season? I see you ladies panicking because you can't do your nails, and everyone's asking me, who did your nails? Who did your nails? I did. Sheila's. So I'm gonna show y'all one more time how I get this shit done. And these literally stay on for about 2 or 3 weeks, no lie. I'm not even fucking kidding. This is no acrylic. I know how to use acrylic. I just really prefer not to. Whoa. I just prefer not to, so yeah. I was already started on my thumb and then I had to stop to record. So let's just get started. So what you have to do is you have to use 2 tips. Whether you're, that's a clear ass camera? Whether you're using a full nail like this, which has like the back part, which is this one and this one are full nails, or whether you decide to just use tips, which all the other ones are just tips. Like this is just tip, that's just tip. Yeah, so always do 2 layers so that gives you your like your realistic look, I guess. I don't know. So I have my first layer on and I need to put a second layer on this one. I'm gonna just put a clear one on top of this because I don't have none on this side.
And you guys, filing it down before you put on the second layer is very important. That way it can grip your super glue and stay on there longer if you just take some of the shine off of the first nail.
So a lot of the times what happens is you'll get the little bubbles that pop up, and that's when you have to get creative and just cover them up, because these are not going to turn out perfect realistically unless there is a way, because it's not acrylic. So realistically you're going to have these little, things that you have to rig a little bit, but that's when you get creative. So I have both on here, and what I do is now I glue around it. Just glue around it so it can just stay sealed. And I'm not over gluing it, I'm just, I like to glue right there too so it won't lift. So naturally for this one, I'm gonna bling it. Bling, 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 bling. So I'm gonna add more glue. Glue. Don't put too much pressure on it because it will slide like that.
These are boys.
No, it's backpack. Come on, Pete. Never really seen one cat. No, I can't do that. I'm like going through a growing process. Because it's almost my birthday. So I do this now with my feet. I'm growing. Sounds like I'm growing.
Hey, chill out on that.
To what?
These ones are kind of not shit.
Oh, Mom. Sorry, just do that one. You know, take a minute. That's what you used to do. That one sounded like me. Yeah.
Yo, look at Joe's wallpaper. Ah.
So I'm just gonna end it here since I have a full thoroughly video elsewhere of me doing my full set. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy.